This is how to create your very own Bunraku style puppet. All you need is 2 strips of paper and sticky tape. We've just got some brown paper, but feel free to use whatever you've got available. Step 1. Take your strip of paper and scrunch it up into a tube. Step 2. Take your scrunched up paper, fold it in half, find the middle and tape it together. This creates the head and arms. Repeat this process with your other strip of paper, creating the body and legs. Then, we're going to tape the body to the head like this. Next, we're going to just twist the ends of our limbs just to make them into hands and feet. Step 3. Now we need to give our puppet some joints by bending the limbs. Go halfway down the arm to find the elbow. Then flip the puppet over. Go halfway down the leg for the knees. And there you have it, your very own Bunraku style puppet.